What's going on, guys? This is Drew of Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2019 Lexus UX200 Luxury. This vehicle is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, mated to a continuously variable transmission. So the Lexus UX is one of the more affordable Lexus models. I don't know. I think they still make it, but like in general, it's been an affordable entry-level Lexus small car. You know, and less power. It's just more like a little commuter car, or for someone who really doesn't care about speed. But it is a nice little vehicle. You have nice leather. This luxury trim is really nice. You have two-tone blue with white leather. I love the way it looks. I've never seen this before in a UX. It looks really nice. You have a leather-wrapped steering wheel, which is nice as well. I think I made a video on an F Sport 2022 model or something like that. And then I also made a video on another UX200, which is a couple years newer than this, but that was like a base. This one's like the luxury trim, so it's nicer. And you have like a nice looking dash with blue color there too. You also have a digital gauge cluster with sport mode, normal, and eco. Normal, you push there. I like this. You find this in like some Lexus ES models as well, maybe the LS too. The dial, the gear shifter dial, or drive mode dial, I mean. And then in the IS, it'll be like over here. You do have the touchpad in this vehicle, which I've never really been a fan of. Very clunky and hard to use, especially when you're driving. But the newer Lexuses don't really have this. And then you have this weird controller thing in the UX. And here's your center console. Your volume's over there, and you also have a tune button there. Not a big fan of this setup personally, but I guess you'll get used to it if you drive the car a lot. And there's your reverse camera. I do really like the gauge cluster though. Lexus has always known how to make really good digital gauge clusters, and this one's no different. Yeah, and the seats are quite comfortable as well. I'm very impressed with the seat comfort in this car. This one has 89,000 miles on it, and it's in pretty good condition. It looks really nice for having 89,000 miles. But let's walk around the car. You have a pearl white exterior. I forgot what this is called. It's like eminent white pearl or something, if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember what the Lexus pearl white is called. You have LED headlights. You have the nice Lexus DRLs. You have the spindle grille. Pretty good looking wheels as well. Here are the rear seats with AC vents in the back. You have a UX200 badge on the back. You have a full light bar, which I like. I think that looks pretty cool. Here's the trunk space. Pretty good trunk space for being a small little hatchback. I like that. Sunroof. You also have heated and ventilated seats. I forgot to mention that, and a heated steering wheel. That's very impressive. And you also have a CD player. Don't really think many people will be using that, but it's good to have it, I guess. And it's well integrated into the dash. Doesn't look like it sticks out or anything, so that's fine. You also have a two settings, heat settings for the heated steering wheel. So that's pretty cool. I'm impressed with this interior and the features that this little UX luxury trim has. All the switchgear feels decent. Lexus interiors have always been pretty premium. While the designs may be outdated in some Lexus trims or models, the materials are always very nice. Yeah, so acceleration's okay. I mean, for 169 horsepower, it's not bad at all. It performs exactly how I expected it would. and it's also a CVT, so you're not going to get any kind of sporty driving feel with the car like this. But I'm sure this car gets great fuel economy considering its powertrain and engine size and everything like that. The engine is definitely a little noisy. Again, it's a CVT, that's not a surprise. Let's put it in like the normal mode. See how that changes. Because I did have it in sport. Yeah, it sounds pretty much the same. But as I mentioned, if you're looking for like a little car to get around in every day, good fuel economy, just to go around town for city driving, this would definitely be a great car. Since it's small, it'll maneuver in and out of traffic very easily. And if you live in like a city, you can street park this super easily. That's like the benefit of these small cars. Compact vehicles, they're very easy to park. They don't take up a lot of space and all that good stuff. I really like this white and blue two-tone interior. I think it's very well done. Again, I've never seen a two-tone interior like this in a Lexus UX, so that's the most impressive thing about this car to me, is the interior. And these features are really nice. Heated ventilated seats and heated steering wheel is not something you see very commonly on a lot of cars. But overall, nice 2019 Lexus UX 200 Luxury right here. Thanks for watching another video, Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice pre-owned vehicles like this Lexus.